Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the fifth episode of Mike Dead Vista. And this episode is a very special one. We have little voices with big smiles. Hi, girls, how are you?
Good, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
So, what's your name, dear?
Prisha.
And what is your name, baby?
My name is Sanvi.
Okay, so today we have Prisha and Sanvi from the kindergarten who are going to share their experience, not as a students at Vista, as children who are of Gen Z. So are you ready to listen to them? Prisha, which is your favorite toy?
It's teddy bear.
It's teddy bear, is it? That's really nice. Even mine is also teddy bear. And what about you, Sanvi?
Rabbit.
Oh, you like rabbit, is it? Why, Sanvi?
Because they are so soft and they eat carrots.
Oh, so you like rabbits because they're very soft and they eat carrots. And who told you that rabbits eat carrots?
My mom.
Your mom said that. That's really nice. I think your mom is really bringing you up well. How old are you, Prisha? What's your age? You're 4 years, 5 years. How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
You're 5 years. What about you, Sanvi?
5. We are both are the same.
Okay, both of you are 5 years and of the same age. That's really nice. Suppose, okay, Prisha, I'm asking you this. I give you a magic wand. What will you do with that?
May do something.
What?
Magic.
What kind of magic you will do? What will you do, Sanvi, if I give you a magic wand? What magic you want to do?
I'll do a magic smell and I'll do a rabbit this much big.
Okay, with the magic you will create a rabbit, is it? That's really nice. What about you, Prisha?
I'll smell so nice.
Okay, what will I do, if I get a magic wand? I will do a magic where I'll get a lot of ice creams and chocolates to eat. Magic, right? So, don't you want to do that?
I don't know how.
But okay, but if you're given the magic, you will turn, you will say abracadabra, doom, and there comes the chocolates and ice creams.
I know that.
I asked you the same question. You didn't answer me. You said only about smell. She said only about a rabbit.
Abracadabra, chili, chili, boom.
Oh, yes. And there comes the ice creams and chocolates. That's really nice. You like coming to school, Prisha?
Yes.
What about you, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you like to come to school, Sanvi?
Because I like to learn new things.
Okay, what about you, Prisha?
I like to art and craft.
Oh, you like art and craft, is it? And what new things do you learn, Sanvi? What have you learned yesterday at school, Sanvi?
I learned about ABCs and consonants and vowels and ABC sounds, and I did art.
Oh my God. So you also learned about the alphabets, you learned about consonants, you learned about vowels, and you've also done art. What about you, Prisha? What did you do yesterday?
I do abacus, counting straws,
Okay. What else?
crafting.
Okay. What is abacus, Prisha? Because I don't know what's abacus.
Abacus means we count straws.
Oh, abacus means you count straws, is it? And then do what with that?
We count 1 to 50.
Okay, you count 1 to 50, is it?
Yes.
What do you do when you're doing abacus, Sanvi?
We count till 200
Okay.
and we put it in the and we tie it with rubber bands and put it in the sand cup.
Okay, so you put them in the sand cup. You make bunches of the straw. You count them and put them in the sand cups, is it?
Yes.
Okay. If suppose your teacher comes and asks you, would you like to have a drawing class dance class, music class, or games class? Which one will you like, Sanvi?
Art and craft.
So you will like art and craft. Why?
Because I like to take glue and glue some things.
Okay, so you like to draw some things, is it? What about you, Prisha? You like music, dance, art and craft, or games? Which one would you like?
Games.
Games, is it? And which is your favorite game?
Is hide and seek.
Oh, hide and with whom do you play at school hide and seek?
But nobody play with me.
Nobody plays with you, is it? Mama doesn't play with you.
No, my brother also.
Why?
Because he always tease me.
He always teases you, is it? How old is your brother?
Is 11 years old.
Oh, he's 11 years old and he teases you and he troubles you. What about you, Sanvi?
And he took my blanket.
Oh, he took your blanket also. Right. I will tell him not to do that. What about you, Sanvi?
My brother always make me laugh.
Oh, he makes you laugh, is it? And how old is your brother?
9.
He's 9 years old. So, Prisha's brother, please don't trouble her. She likes you a lot. She wants to play and enjoy. And please do play with her. And Sanvi's brother, please continue making her laugh. This is a message to all the brothers and sisters. Please ensure you have fun with your siblings. Don't fight with them. My next question. Which is your favorite food?
Is mango.
Mango, is it? And what about you, Sanvi?
Pineapple.
Oh, it's pineapple. But those are fruits. No, I asked you which is your favorite food. You like to have rice, roti, dal. What is that you like to have?
I like to have curd.
Oh, you like curd, is it?
Yes, with sugar in it.
With sugar in that.
Me also.
Oh, even you like curd with sugar. Why?
Because it's so sweet and good.
Oh, it's so sweet when sugar is added in the curd, is it? And why you, Prisha? Why do you like it?
Because it's very, very sweet and yummy also.
Oh, it's yummy also. Okay, my next question. Which is your favorite vegetable?
Is cucumber
Okay.
and is cabbage.
Okay. What about you, Sanvi?
I like lady's finger and potatoes.
Oh my God. And which is your favorite place in the house? Where you like to sit, where you like to enjoy, where you like to have fun?
I like to do art and craft in art and craft room.
Okay. It at home? At home also you have art and craft room, is it?
Yes.
Oh, that is so nice. Your parents are so thoughtful to create a space for you where you can sit and do art and craft. What about you, Prisha?
I don't have art and craft room. I have playroom and living room with that.
Okay. What do you do in the playroom?
I play
Which games do you play?
hide and seek.
Oh, you like hide and seek. Everywhere you play hide and seek. But with whom do you play hide and seek? You say mama doesn't play with you. You say your brother doesn't play.
But he actually play with me.
He actually plays with you, is it?
Yeah.
So you were not telling the truth in the beginning.
I have 2 brothers.
Oh, you have 2 brothers. is
One
it?
Aditya Bhaiya, one Ahan Bhaiya.
Okay. Which Bhaiya plays with you?
Ahan Bhaiya.
Acha, Ahan Bhaiya plays with you. So I will tell Aditya Bhaiya also to play with you. Then, do you like coming to school?
Yes. Yes,
What about you,
ma'am.
Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you like coming to school?
Because we make art
Okay.
and we learn new things and we glue things
Okay.
and we learn and play.
Okay. What about you, Prisha?
We dance and play out daycare. We do abacus.
So Sanvi is more focused towards literature because whenever she speaks about alphabets, words, consonants and vowels. Whenever Prisha talks, she only talks about numeracy, which is numbers and abacus and counting. Next quick question. Who is your favorite teacher, Prisha?
Is PP2C, ma'am.
What is your PP2C ma'am's name?
I don't know.
You don't know the name of the teacher. And what about you, Sanvi?
Prashanti ma'am.
You like Prashanti ma'am, is it? Why, Sanvi, you like Prashanti ma'am?
Because she is so nice.
Okay, she's so nice. That's really nice. And who's your best friend, Sanvi?
Hitin.
Nitin.
Yes.
And what about you, Prisha?
Dhriti.
Dhriti. They're your best friends, is it?
Yeah.
Now, next quick question. What do you like to do with your parents?
Play.
What about you, Sanvi?
Do art with my mom.
Do art with your mommy does art?
Yes. I don't. One day I cut my nails and my mom also cut her nails.
Okay, you cut your nails, Mama also cut your nails because you cut your nails, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So do you like playing with your parents or studying with your parents?
Starting.
Studying with your parents. What about you, Prisha?
Play.
Playing with your parents. So parents out there.
I have a piano.
You have a?
Piano.
Oh, you know to play a piano too?
I have a guitar and piano and a violin.
My God, so many instruments you have. Who plays those instruments?
My daddy plays the violin,
Okay.
my mom plays the guitar, and I played the piano.
Oh my God, the house is full of music around, and each one has a different instrument.
And I have only the piano, and my mic is broken.
Oh, we will tell Mama or Papa to get it fixed, so that you
Okay.
can also start playing the piano.
It's gone.
Oh, it's gone, is it? Where did
Yes.
it go?
I was in my mom's dressing room.
Oh, it was in your mom's dressing room, is it?
Yes, and it disappeared.
Oh, it disappeared from there. How?
My dad threw it.
Oh, Papa threw it out because it was not working. Maybe he's going to buy a new one. If given a choice, do you like to come to school or stay at home?
I come to school.
What about you, Sanvi?
I like to come to school and I like to be in home also.
So you like both staying at school and at home. Why do you like to come to school, Prisha?
Because we do art and craft, play, dance, and even do abacus.
Okay. So Prisha loves coming to school because she has so many activities to do. Sanvi also loves coming to school, but she also likes staying at home. So parents beware, ensure that they are equally engaged at both the places so they enjoy both the places. One last question. If you're given a choice, do you like chocolates or ice cream?
Chocolates.
What about you, Sanvi?
Chocolates.
So both of you like chocolates.
Yes.
Do you like cartoons or storybooks?
Storybooks. Cartoons I like.
Okay. Do you like cat or dog?
Cat. Dog.
Okay. Do you like to dance or draw?
Draw. Dance.
Dance. Okay. School or holidays?
School. Holidays.
So you can see the young little ones who are just 5 years old have their voices, they know their choices, and they're so very clear about what exactly they need. So parents, parenting in this era is way too challenging. And your parenting starts not when you send them to school, right from when they are born. Because habits are built in, character is nurtured, and that's how they grow as an individual. Today we have these two young ladies, Prisha and Sanvi, though 5 years old, are so clear about their thoughts, are so vocal about their opinions. Since nowadays generation is very clear and very, very fair in their thoughts, as a parents, you need to be on an extra vigil. Because I was raised in an era where I really didn't know what I wanted. But your children know about things what they want. So I wish all the parents over there, happy parenting. Please be wise when you're raising your children. Pause for some time and then check about them and then take a call. Wishing all of you good luck, and I hope you enjoyed a very, very, very special episode with two little wonderful angels, Prisha and Sanvi, who were so cute And trust me, all whatever they've answered is very spontaneous, what they felt. So Prisha, Sanvi, can we say bye-bye to the audience who are watching us?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
And tell them, meet you again later.
See you again later.